You can lie with your words, but your body leaks the truth milliseconds before you even speak. You believe lies are spoken with words. They are not. Long before a sentence forms, your body reacts. Blood shifts, muscles tighten, skin chemistry changes. When a human lies, the brain enters conflict. The prefrontal cortex suppresses the truth, while emotional centers light up. Your heart does not just beat faster. Its rhythm becomes irregular. Heart rate variability collapses. Your skin begins to change. Sweat glands activate within milliseconds, altering electrical conductivity. Your face reveals even more. Micro-expressions flash across facial muscles in less than 200 milliseconds, too fast for conscious control. A tightening around the eyes, a twitch near the mouth. Signals evolution never designed to be hidden. This is why traditional lie detection fails. There is no single tell, no universal sign. Lying is not one reaction. It is a pattern of disruptions across multiple systems at once. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Even when you believe you are calm, your autonomic nervous system already knows you're not. In this episode, we are not hunting lies. We are exposing the biological noise deception creates inside the human body. Because before machines detect lies, your body already has. And in part 2, we'll see how technology learned to listen.
For decades, lie detection chased the wrong enemy, searching for a single tell. But deception has no single signal. It is a pattern. Your pupils dilate within milliseconds, reacting to mental effort, not emotion. Eye tracking studies show liars blink less at first, then excessively as cognitive strain builds. These changes are faster than conscious control. Thermal imaging reveals what the naked eye cannot. The periorbital regions show subtle heat changes, and blood flow pulses become visible, betraying the cognitive load of deception. Meanwhile, your skin becomes electrically unstable. Galvanic skin response measures microscopic sweat gland activity, changes smaller than a grain of sand, yet significant. Even the voice wavers. Instabilities in speech patterns, undetectable to the human ear, are captured as waveform ripples, traced back to the vocal cords. Modern lie detection machines don't look for a single lie. They build a baseline of your neutral state, then watch for deviations, timing mismatches, signal desynchronization, biological noise where there should be harmony. When humans lie, the brain enters a state of conflict. The prefrontal cortex works harder to suppress the truth, construct alternatives, and monitor consistency.
What if the lie is detected before you even decide to lie? Every lie begins the same way. Not with words, not with fear, but with hesitation. Milliseconds before deception, the brain enters conflict. Truth is suppressed. Alternatives are generated. Memory is edited in real time. Functional imaging shows it clearly. The prefrontal cortex activates before a false statement is spoken. The anterior cingulate cortex flags inconsistency. Neural energy spikes, not because of emotion, but because of choice. AI doesn't wait for the lie. It watches for deviation. Neural network-based systems don't analyze signals in isolation. They map timing, synchronization, and internal coherence across hundreds of channels simultaneously. Your eyes pause slightly longer than usual. Your breathing rhythm desynchronizes from speech. Your facial muscles respond a fraction too late. Each change alone means nothing. Together, they form a probability. In experimental settings, predictive models identify deceptive intent seconds before verbal response, with accuracy exceeding random chance by over 30%. This is not mind reading. It is trajectory detection, like predicting a collision not by impact, but by velocity and direction. But here is the uncomfortable truth. The more accurate the system becomes, the less room remains for context, forgiveness, and explanation. A machine doesn't care why you lie. It only sees that you diverged. In courtrooms, in border control, in job interviews, this technology is already being tested. The question is no longer can we detect lies. The question is, should a machine decide when truth begins? Because once prediction replaces proof, innocence becomes a statistical argument, and trust becomes optional.